Hello everyone, this is Siken. The car we will show you how to disassemble and install the Android radio today. Please follow me. Firstly, we will dismantle this gray panel, then unscrew this screw. Remove this air vent accessory again, then remove the entire large decorative panel. Now we are dismantling the air conditioning button panel of the original car. Next, we will remove these two panels. Then unscrew these 4 screws. Remove the original car screen again and unplug all the plugs on its back. The disassembly has been completed and we are now connecting the cables to the new Android radio. This is the video input cable. This is a USB transmission cable. This is the original car USB adapter cable. Now connect the Canbus box. Reconnect protocol communication serial port. Reconnect the radio antenna, then connect the black plug. Finally, connect the reverse rearview camera. Now we will remove this small accessory and install it onto the new radio. Then remove this air conditioning button panel and install it here as well. Note that there are 4 metal buckles here that need to be removed and installed onto the Android radio for stability. Now let's start connecting the power harness. We will connect the corresponding plug according to the size of the socket. After the connection is complete, install the Android radio and ignition button panel together. Remember to install this part as well. Then install the large panel. Install air vents as well. Finally, tighten the screws and restore the side panel as well. The installation is now complete as this car is equipped with a Canbus box. It needs to be set up for the first use. This way, we will support some of the original car functions. It supports original car steering wheel buttons, Android radio. In addition, it has many other functions. Support automatic radio station search, watching online movies during breaks, support offline or online maps, support DSP to adjust favorite timbre, supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Enjoy wireless CarPlay or Android Auto function from your phone in your car. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for your watching.